How to log in and set up your Google Wallet account. Let's get started. In today's video, I'll be using my PC, but you can also follow the same step on your mobile device. So open up Google Wallet application in your mobile device. If you're using PC, open up your browser and then in the search bar search for wallet.google.com. After that, simply tap on sign in and then sign in to your Google account. Enter your email address, then password, and just like that, tap on continue. After signing in, Google may ask you to verify your identity using a verification code, fingerprint, Face ID, or even your device password. Once verified, follow the instructions shown on your screen. After that, you can even tap on add a payment method and just like that, enter your debit or credit card details manually or scan the code if you are using a mobile device. After that, complete the verification process from your bank through SMS, email, or banking app. Once verification is completed, your Google Wallet account will be fully set up and ready to use. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.